Let me try that again. This thing's gonna be really boozy by the time I'm done with it. I'm gonna do it 5 more times. There's like 5 shots. Hi guys, I'm Madeline here at Lakeside Table, where I share tons of my family's favorite healthy recipes. But today, we're making cocktails. To be exact, I'm making a Sinatra Smash cocktail. Jerry and I first had this cocktail at the Sinatra restaurant at the Encore Hotel in Las Vegas. We loved it at first sip. It's fruity without being too sweet, and it's made with vanilla simple syrup and bourbon, so it's got those deep caramel notes in there. I'm gonna make these Sinatra Smashes with a homemade vanilla simple syrup and a homemade sweet and sour. I highly recommend that you just take a little extra time to do this because it really elevates the cocktail and it gives it that oomph. And I'll put the link for those below. First, muddle 6 blackberries and a mint leaf in the bottom of a cocktail shaker with 2½ ounces sweet and sour mix. Then add 2/3 ounce of vanilla simple syrup, 1½ ounce of creme de cassis, and 4 ounces Gentleman Jack whiskey to the shaker. Go ahead and put ice in your shaker. Make sure the top is on tight and give it a good shake. And then we're gonna go ahead and strain it into our glasses. Make sure your rocks glasses are filled with ice. Garnish each Sinatra Smash with a blackberry and a mint leaf. This is a great way to wind up the week. And I'm not gonna lie, I like bourbon. So I'm just gonna put a little floater right on the top of these and really nice. Thanks so much for hanging out with me here at Lakeside Table. And remember, if you want to print this recipe out, I've got the link for it right below at lakesidetable.com. And if you try this at home, leave me a comment. Tell me what you think. Thanks again, guys. Have a great week, and I'll see you soon. Bye-bye.